this is Peter again. Today I look younger because I had a nice haircut after 3.5 months. Sometimes we used to, in the middle of the day or evening, we want to eat our favorite dish. We have to go out to the shop, and we want to find our favorite dish. One of the favorite dish which we yearn for, as kids and also young people until this age, we still yearn for the traditional Cantonese style fried noodles. So it comes in various forms. Okay, for instance, we have this fried noodles, which comes in what we call it, vermicelli or mihun, and flat noodles we call kway teow, and of course also it comes with the Chinese deep fried noodles. Okay, so today the recipe is quite simple. The things, all these are fresh vegetables. You can replace it with this is Chinese long cabbage. Of course, you can replace it with sawi or Hong Kong sawi, okay, or Hong Kong choy sum, okay. And then why we need to marinate the pork out with the cornstarch is because we want the pork to become very smooth after cooking. Okay, of course we put in some pepper and so on. So all these ingredients we have seen here, and now let's get cooking. So, and we see what it's going to turn out to be, and we're going to have a very nice breakfast, lunch or dinner. I'm cooking for around, say, 4 or 5 person. It will be enough for 4 or 5 person. So let's see. Let's get started and cook, and we'll see what is going to come out from this Cantonese wet fried noodles. Okay, let's go. Okay, the first thing we need to do is, after the cooking oil is hot, we'll deep fry the mihun. Okay, this is mihun. Turn it over. Very simple, so you never need to. After frying the mihun or vermicelli, now we're going to fry up some kway teow or flat noodles. Dry. We reduce the oil already. Okay, it's done. We transfer this into our tray or large plate. After this, we're going to make our gravy, okay, for this dish. First of all, we put in some oil. Of course, we don't need so much oil because we have already have some lard. We just fried up the lard, the pork lard. Medium flame until the pork lard has become very fragrant and dry. Just leave it, we fry it for around 5 minutes to be dry. Now it looks like our pork lard or pork fat has released the oil and it's almost golden in color. That's where we need to collect this pork lard and to use it for future use. Okay, that means we will put it after the noodles are cooked. We just sprinkle this on top of the noodles. So it's almost done. Remember, I'm cooking for 4 to 5 person portions. You can cook less if you want, or even more, then you get more ingredients. Okay, so I've got my pork lard here to be used later on. What I do now, I'm going to fry up the garlic. Put in my pork. taking some salt, some pepper, sugar, and salt. Soya sauce. Of course, some oyster sauce. Adding this stuff, we need to put some water for gravy. Another bowl of water. Some chicken stock if you wish. A little bit. Do some tasting. That's nice. And now finally we're going to add in the cornstarch which been mixed with water to thicken the gravy. So it requires a lot of this cornstarch. Add in some water. Now it looks like our gravy is boiling already. It's time to put in our fresh veggie. As I've said, you can replace this Chinese long cabbage with sawi or Hong Kong Hong Choy Sam. So, and let it simmer for a while, and we will close it with the lid. Now we'll close it with the lid. Looks like our gravy is already cooked, and what we do next is finally we switch off the flame and pour in our beaten eggs. Eggs that's been beaten. I have 2 eggs here. I just put it over like this in a circle. But the flame must be off. Okay. This is what we call the watan yin yang or watan yi ming. Okay. Or watan ho also have. Okay. Look. So what we do now next is that we will transfer the gravy into the clay pot. Okay, so this clay pot is all ready. We'll transfer some of the gravy and it will continue to cook the clay pot. So just leave it at the clay pot. You will continue to cook the deep fried noodles and soften it. Now finally, we'll put all this rest of the gravy into our big plate of watan yin yang. All the gravy as well as all the ingredients. This will soften the mihon or the rice vermicelli. It's all cooked up already now. See, look at that. This is Wakan Inyong. So our cooking is now done. We're gonna have very nice meal. We have this e-min in the clay pot. It's also Cantonese style, wet type of fried noodles. And also we have the inyong mix, which is mixed with mihun or vermicelli together with the kway teow. So it's the same sauce actually. And now we will add in some pork lard, for garnishing. Just add a little on both sides, okay? And of course some spring onions. And there, and of course here as well. And this will go very well with green chilies, which has been kept in vinegar for some time, and we mix it with some soya sauce, and this will be a very good condiment to the whole dish. So I hope, my friends, you're going to try this, and you don't have to wait until you have to go outside and take your nice supper or dinner. You can make it at home. And the next time we're going to make some Hokkien Mee, and the traditional Hokkien Mee. So I hope that you will try this at home, and it's easier, it's very easy to make, okay? So don't forget to like my video, share it, and of course subscribe to my channel, Peter Chong or Peter Today, okay? And I'm going to have many more videos to come, and hope you guys out there will enjoy my videos. And don't forget, set the notification on. If you set the notification on, we'll have new videos coming up every week. Sometimes even twice or 3 times a week you can see new videos. So don't miss out on my Peter Today videos. Thank you, and I'll see you again. See you next time. Bye bye. Now you see it, now you done. It's finished, gone. It's delicious. Hope you guys will try it at home.